Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Apps Tech. My name is Mohammed Ilyas and today I want to show you the best game that its name is Bricks and Balls. So it is a classic and exciting brick game. This brick game help remind you of your childhood. So Brick and Balls is a relax game that relax your brain and get fun. So this game is funny and challenging. Let's start it. It's very good game. So it has many levels. It's check-in close now. I'm in level 21. Let's play it. To see that it's very good game. As you see, it's the best game, best playing, so it's get harder and harder by the level of playing. I recommend all of you guys to download the app and enjoy from it. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and press the ring bell and comment below which app do you want that I make videos for you guys. Thanks for watching.